Hello and welcome to our video today. It is on finding the perimeter of rectangles, and our objectives are to be able to find the perimeter of rectangles and composite shapes made up of rectangles and squares as well. The perimeter is the distance around a shape. Okay, it is the distance around it. So here I've got a rectangular shape, and it's 16 meters in length, and it's got a width of 10 meters. And so what we would do is we would add up all the sides, 10, 16, 10 and 16, and that comes to 52 meters. If you're looking at the perimeter, imagine you're walking around the building and the distance around it. Well, here's a different type of building. This is an L-shaped building. It's 4.5 meters in that direction. We've got 220 centimeters across the top there. We'll come back to that in a moment. We've got 2.5 meters. We've got a length we're not given. We've got another length we're not given, and we've got 10 meters. Now you've got to find the perimeter of this room in meters. That is the distance all the way around it. That's what you need to find out. So the first thing we need to do is write down all the lengths in the units that the answer is looking for, the question's looking for. So we need to give our answer in meters. So everything on this plan has to be in meters. In this case, we've got 2.2 meters, which is 220 centimeters. So we change the 220 centimeters into meters by dividing it by 100. Remember, 100 centimeters in a meter, so that's 2.2 meters. Then we need to find the missing lengths, and if we look here, the whole of this side is 10 meters and this little bit is 2.2, so this one here will be 7.8. 10 take away 2.2, and this length here will be 4.5 take away the 2.5, so this length here will be 2 meters. So now we've found them all, we just add them all together. 2.2, 2.5, 7.8, 2 meters, 10 meters, 4.5, and that comes to 29 meters. So our perimeter of this building is 29 meters. But let's have a look at a different problem here. We've got a castle, a plan of a castle. It's got a turret, a tower, square tower in the corner. And we've given the dimensions here, 0.130 kilometers. 600 centimeters from the side of the castle wall to the edge of the turret, and 12 meters for this length of the turret, which is a square. And this other part is a square, but it's got a little bit of the corner taken out or extended. And you're asked to find the perimeter in meters of the castle from this plan. So if you were to go around the whole walls, how far would it be in meters? So the main part of the building is a square, as we've already mentioned, and this tower in the corner is also a square. So we're looking at going around this whole area here and out around the tower and back in again. So first of all, we need to change all the dimensions to meters. And what we find is that 0.130 kilometers, we'd multiply that by 1,000 to turn it into meters, and we find that this is 130 meters. 600 centimeters, to turn that into meters, we need to divide it by 100, because there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So 600 centimeters is 6 meters. The next thing we do is add all the dimensions to the plan. So that was 130, this length from here to here. Because this is part of a square, that's 130 as well. This length would be 130, but we've got to take off are 6 meters. It goes from the corner to the edge of the tower. So that will be 130 take away 6, which is 124. This little bit here is the same as this here, so that would be 6. That's a 12. We can leave it as it is. Because this is a square, this is a 12 as well. And of course, we just mentioned that's a 6. And this length is the same as this one here. So now we've got all our dimensions. We've got 124, 130, 130, 124, 6, 12, 12, and 6. We add all of these together. And we've got all of them here listed. And that equals 544. So that's how you would find the perimeter of a building. Make sure that you change all your dimensions so they're the same. And we're looking here at a length. So thanks for watching. Hope that helps you with understanding how to find the perimeter of using rectangles and squares. Thank you.